How to disable lens on a Snapchat carousel. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable lens on a Snapchat carousel. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Snapchat on your device. Make sure to log into your account. If you ever feel like the Snapchat lens carousel is cluttered with lens trays you rarely use, here I will show you how to tidy things up by disabling unwanted lenses in your Snapchat carousel. First of all, you can simply go to the camera section and then you need to tap on the starter box. Next to it, you will find the different kinds of lenses simply to the right. And after that, you need to select the three dots at top left corner under Bitmoji icon. And then you need to select the three dots from the section and then tap remove lens. This will remove the lens from your carousel. So tap remove button and successfully it has been removed from our Snapchat carousel and it has been disabled on a Snapchat carousel as well. In this way, you can easily disable lens on Snapchat carousel. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.